This is one of the mini Cooper LED projector lights. There are four of these, two for the front and two for the rears. When installing the projectors, I ran into a problem with the fitting. Due to the positioning of the pins inside the projectors, it was hard to put in the connector cable. To resolve this, I used a screwdriver and added a CRV 10mm flathead onto that to gently push the pins up against the inside wall. This then allowed for a smooth fitting of the connector cable due to the adjustments made to the pins.